In this tutorial, we'll explore 3 simple and efficient methods to upload files and folders to your data room. The first option is to upload documents manually. To do this, navigate to the folder where you want to upload your files, click the 3 dots next to it, and choose Upload, followed by Upload Files and Folders. You can select one or multiple files at once using the Select Files option, or upload the entire folder with the Select Folder option. You can also drag and drop files and folders into this area. Let's use Select Folder for this example. After selecting the folder you want to upload, you'll see a list of all the files that will be included. Next, choose the appropriate permissions, either Inherit from Parent folder or Administrators only. Finally, click Upload to confirm. Your folder will now be available with all the documents inside. The second option is even faster. Just drag and drop your documents from your local folder directly into the desired location in the data room index. Select the appropriate permissions, then click Upload when you're ready to proceed. All files will be available immediately. For the most convenient option, consider using the inbox feature. Users with create-only permissions or higher can upload email attachments directly to the data room and they will appear in your inbox section. Click the email address in your inbox section to copy it to your clipboard. Open your email provider and create a new email. Paste the email address in the To field. You can also add this email address to your contacts for easier access in the future. Attach the files you want to upload to your data room. Then, send the email. Users with viewing rights will see that uploaded documents are in the inbox section and can now be moved to the right index point. For more help, contact our team through our website.